Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm reviewing the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. I'm going to answer some common questions that you might have, plus I'll share why I chose this model vacuum. So let's start with what I like about this Shark IQ Vacuum. I like that it comes with an extra large capacity dustbin and filter because, as you can see, my dog sheds a lot. I could literally follow her around with a broom and dustpan all day. So I figured instead of me constantly sweeping up after her, why not let a robot vacuum take over and do the job? Next, I really like the phone app that comes with the Shark. If you have Wi-Fi, you can set an automatic cleaning schedule from the smartphone app. As you can see, mine runs almost every single morning at 8 a.m. You can also see the map of your home from the app, so you know what the Shark actually sees as available places to clean, and you can use the boundary tape that comes with the vacuum to block off any area if needed. Plus, if you're away from home, you can even tell the vacuum to go clean at any point through the app. It also connects with Alexa, so you can give it voice commands while at home too. Now, you'll see that the new IQ navigation ensures that the Shark vacuum is able to get every single inch of your floor by going up and down your floor while also navigating around furniture and over rugs. It can even navigate in hard to reach places like under a chair, and its two brushes really ensure that every single particle of dirt and hair gets swept up. Speaking of navigating around furniture, I also like that it's really gentle when it's running up against things, so it's not going to scratch your floors or your furniture, or even if it bumps into you or your pet, it won't hurt, and it immediately changes routes. When it's ready to be cleaned, you simply turn it on its back, and you can easily remove all the parts, including the brush and dustbin. You'll notice the brush actually has fins, which guide particles into the dustbin, which isn't like your normal vacuum brush, which gets hair wrapped around it. And when you're ready to empty the bin, it's super simple. You simply push a button to pull it out, pop it open, of course dump it out, and put it right back in. Then you can press the buttons on the top to send the Shark vacuum back to cleaning or back to its dock where it'll automatically start charging. Speaking of charging, it only takes about 6 hours to fully charge the battery, and the battery itself lasts a little over an hour in our experience, which is plenty of time to clean most floors. But if not, it automatically goes back to its charging station when the battery gets low, then it charges up and starts right back where it left off. The last thing I'll say is to make sure your charging base is up against the wall or it'll push it around when it returns. And also be patient with the Shark vacuum when it's first learning your home. It has to first map out your house and learn the layout of your furniture, but after that, it's smooth vacuuming. So if you have a pet like me or simply want to save some time from sweeping or vacuuming your home yourself, I can highly recommend checking out the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Enjoy!